Hi everyone, it's me, Chef Connie, and welcome back to my channel. Lots of yum for you. Today I'm just going to show you, it's going to be a short video, but it'll be very informative of how I do my meal prep with my long nails and why I do the meal prep, especially with my long nails. You want to have even more extra safety as you cut your ingredients and put your ingredients together. So we're gonna dive right into this video and let's dive into the video. Hi everyone. So we're back and this is my cutting board. I love this, looks like plastic, but the knife is very sharp and it does not go through this particular board. So how I do my cutting with my long nails is I actually take my time. This morning I'm making a dish and I need the peppers, so I just kind of cut them slowly with my nails. I'm mindful of my nails, and it's okay to do your cut slow. You do not have to be a fast cutter. That's why I meal prep before I start cooking, is because I'm not going to be a fast cutter. Even with short nails, you can easily cut yourself. So this is just kind of how I do my meal prep, where I have plenty of time. And this is how I do my meal prep with my long nails. And I cut all my vegetables first. Like my garlic is chopped. My red peppers, my Thai chilies are chopped up. Anything that I need to chop up. My red onions are chopped up. Anything I need to chop, I will pre-chop. And as you can see, all my stuff is in individual bowls. I also have my sauces already pre-measured. I have my sauces, my sugar. All my ingredients are pre-measured and in individual bowls. So here we go. This is how I do it. And I'm slow with it and being mindful that I do have very long nails. And there it is. The choppings came out perfectly. And what you see here, scoop it up slowly onto my knife, very slowly. There we go. So with long nails, you definitely need to be mindful. Even with short nails, but I'm not a fast chopper. I'm always mindful that my nails are very long. And then this is my basil, my Thai basil. And so I'm just breaking the leaves off, and then I will definitely chop this and put it in a bowl. So and then after I do all my vegetables that need to be chopped, I'm always mindful to be careful of the meat. All my meat gets chopped last. Anything that I have to cut, chop, anything to do with meat, I do it last. And I do it on a different cutting board, but I still do it last so I can disinfect my kitchen, disinfect everything. So I do all my vegetables and other ingredients first. So this is basil, and then how I chop this up is I just put this here, and then I hold my hand up like this and I just kind of chop it. Mindful always that, you have long nails. So I just kind of hold my hand up just to, oh, look at that. It's chopping up very nicely. And I'm just kind of giving you an idea of how I do that. And there it is. So, because this is going to be a rough cut. So just roughly chopped. And there we go. Always mindful of the nails. And do your meal prep as slow as you want. You just want to always be mindful. And I also have designs on my nails, so I want to be very careful not to knock off any of my diamonds. They're pretty much solid on there, but just still want to be careful. So with that, folks, and then here's my chicken, and I'll cut that last. But This is a short video, just kind of give you an idea of how I do my meal prep chopping of the vegetables and stuff I need. I don't, you know, these liquid items are measured with a measuring spoon, so they're very easy to use. But when I chop, I'm always mindful of the long nails. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna bring this camera up. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell notification and like this video. Bye for now.